Okay, how do you get clients from DMs without feeling salesy? So this is a problem that a lot of coaches have, especially in the early days, is that they feel sleazy, they feel salesy, and it holds them back from getting clients. So how do we get clients from DMs without feeling salesy? Now, this is a great quote. You can be salesy or you can be broke. So the truth is that unless you have super automated systems that are going to go out there and find your leads, indoctrinate them, and move them onto a sales call, which is very hard without the human contact. If you're a coach, you are going to be broke if you don't do this outreach. Okay, you can systemize and automate a lot of the nurture part, but you're still always going to have an element of you being in the DMs because you are an integral part of the product. Okay, you are the coach. But that said, you can be salesy or you can be broke. Doesn't really help solve the problem, because up here you still feel salesy. You feel like you don't have permission to talk about what it is that you do and how you can help people, and that's the problem. Permission up here. Okay, so let's have a look. Right, here's just a few steps, things that you can do. Connect like a human. That's what everyone says, you know. It's the sound advice. Connect like a human. Don't go straight in trying to offer a sale. But there is an important process that you can follow, a simple process that will give you permission to talk about what you do and take that feeling salesy away from it. So what we do we have a process called the 15-minute lead system. All right. What we do is we offer a free solution. We offer 2 or 3 free solutions. Now these need to be specific solutions, not just a freebie like a meal plan or a free workout or some shit like that. Offer a real solution to a problem or insights into how to solve the problem. Okay, so you offer these in the DMs once you've had a bit of a chat, and if somebody says, "Yep, I want those," then automatically put those people on the list who said yes. Okay, you now have permission to be salesy. Now, being salesy doesn't mean you're going to go straight in for the sale, but you're going to start making them offers. All right, you're going to engage with them about what it is that you do, because they have said yes, please, I have that problem, please send me that free thing that's going to help me solve that problem, or is going to show me the solution to that problem. Okay, now this is where people fail, you know, because they find it hard to move the conversation from, hey, how you doing, love your Instagram page, whatever it is that you do in your little chat, and they find it hard to move the conversation over to what it is that you do and how you help. This is just a simple way of getting permission to do it. Okay, then you just need to re-engage the people on that list and make them a next step offer. Now, it sounds very simple, and yes, you can just go out and do this. All right, make a couple of freebies, offer them in the DMs, and re-engage that list, and then go and make them a next step offer. Whether that's a call, whether that's a low ticket offer, whether that's straight into high ticket, it's up to you. Depends what you're selling. Everybody's slightly different. But when we do it, we follow a framework. We have a framework of what the freebies need to be, how to make them. Now, they're very quick and easy to make. This isn't about creating massive resources. It's very quick. It's very easy. You can create different ones every couple of months if you want to keep it fresh. And then what we do is we follow a system. We have a tracker board, and we follow a system of how and when to make next step offers. Okay, we have a DM framework. We don't do scripts. We have frameworks so that you can just adjust them to your way of speaking. And it just walks you through the whole process. Now, this is just a very small part of the 3-hour coach. But if you want to know more about this, the 15-minute lead system is cheap as chips. All right, it's a very small mini module. It will take you less than an hour probably to go through the whole system, and then for you to be able to get going. And this is just going to remove the mental block of being salesy, because look, you need to be salesy. If you are not salesy, if you're not making offers, you are not going to make sales. It's as simple as that. But trying to reframe this, trying to do it in a way that gives you permission and makes everything easy, it's the way to go forward. Okay, so if you want to know more about it, like I say, it's cheap as chips. Not going to take you long. It's a short sequence of videos, and just shows you how to make the resources, what you need to be saying in the messages with our DM framework, how to move people onto sales calls, triage calls, sales in the DMs, whatever it is that you want to do. Just message me 15-minute leads and I'll send you over the information. No obligation. It's up to you if you buy it. All right. See you later.